Hey, what is going on, guys? Dylan here with Solo Cuts Landscaping. Today we are going to be doing another fall cleanup. As you can see here, you're covered in leaves pretty good. So what I've already done is blown around the trees. That way we are clear from those. That way we can just move right on through this. So guys, I'm going to throw the GoPro up here on the fence post and we're going to be getting this one knocked out. As you can see, it's getting close to being dark. Hopefully this one doesn't take too long. It shouldn't. Probably have to go over it 2 or 3 times and we should be good to go. So anyways, guys, stick around, stay tuned, enjoy this video, and we'll see you afterwards. Alright, so there you have it, guys. Of course, it's like 20-mile-an-hour winds out here today, so I'm competing with the wind. But as you can see, 3 times over the lawn. I had to go over an extra time just because the ground isn't smooth and it's on the hill, so whenever it hits a bump, it kind of kicks some stuff out because there's just so much under that 54-inch deck to where it kind of blows some out. But if it's a flat yard, I can usually hit it twice and we'd be all right. So sorry for the low light right now. This is what I run into working full time too. So we're gonna blow everything off and then we're gonna get on out of here. So guys, thank you very much for tuning in to another video here on the Solo Cuts Landscaping YouTube channel. I appreciate every single one of you guys that stop by and spend some time with me. So guys, thank you very much. If you are new, be sure to smash that subscribe button and be sure to hit the bell so that way you get a notification every time I drop a video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And guys, as always, remember, do what you love what you do, but never stop. We will see you guys in the next one.